Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record yourself on Loom using your webcam. So first of all, you just have to simply come here on loom.com, then simply create your account if you haven't already. Now over here, when you create your account, you are going to see this type of section in front of you. Now over here in the left hand side, you just have to first of all click on the option of library, or most of the time on the dashboard itself you are going to see the option of start recording. So you can also download its desktop application, so this way it will be very easy for you to record yourself. So over here too, simply click on the option of start recording, then you are going to see a bunch of different options over here. So first option is of full screen. It means that whether you want to capture this whole screen or you want to capture a specific area, so you can just simply select that. After that, we have the option of no camera. So since you want to record yourself, you just have to simply enable the camera option and make sure that you enable the microphone option as well. So once you are done with all these settings, simply click on the option of start recording, and this way you just have to simply click on the option of yes, proceed. So this way the recording is going to be started, and then you can just simply start moving around, and this way you will be able to record yourself. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.